Struggling to stay consistent with videos. This makes content so much easier. Number one, your hook proposition. This captures people's attention in the first 1 to 3 seconds, saying something powerful, a broad statement, a question. Number two, what is the problem? Call out their situation. For example, business owners not staying consistent to generate leads. That is a problem. Now your value proposition would be, this is how you can actually generate leads, documenting a live video, interacting and engaging on a deeper level with your market, or documenting short form content, running ads, going live on multiple social media platforms simultaneously on 2 3 social media platforms. That is how you can start generating leads, nurturing leads effectively, and start building your business online. So keep this daily video structure simple. Your hook, the problem, value proposition. Number four, your call to action. You do not need to apply call to actions in all of your videos. Why? People will be curious enough and go to your link in bio on your For You page. In some of your videos, you can direct people to a call to action. For example, comment system, and I'll send my program or blueprint with you. So this is just a simple example on what I follow. This is my framework on how I go about documenting videos, solving people's problems.